Welcome to AppStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to highlight PDF document. There are multiple ways to do it offline and online. I will show you a few ways. So to do that, we can use Adobe Acrobat Reader. Its free version will do. Search Adobe Acrobat Reader on Google. Go to their website. Download and install it. Reader has been downloaded. Let's install it. After it's installed, run the program and open a PDF file in it. Click Open File, provide the path, select File, Open. And here's the PDF file opened in Adobe Acrobat Reader. From the tools at the left, click pencil icon and then select Highlight. Select the text you want to highlight in the PDF. Click on it and select Highlight Color. And now you can select other text and highlight it with the same color. And if you want to change highlight color for a particular selection, just click the text and change the highlight color. So this is one option. We also have Foxit PDF Reader. It's also free. Search Foxit PDF Reader in Google. Go to their website and download it. Click Download Now button to download it. After that, open Foxit Reader. To open PDF in it, click Open File. Select the file, click Open button. To highlight a text in PDF by using Foxit PDF Reader, click Highlight button. From the top, select text to highlight. And to change highlight color, click this circle icon. And from here you can change the highlight color. Now if you select the text using highlight tool, highlight color will be applied to that selection. And after that, you can save this modified PDF file by clicking File and then Save As. Let's close it. This is the modified file. Let's open it in Foxit Reader and the highlighted text is there. Okay, besides Adobe Acrobat Reader and Foxit PDF Reader, there are online options. Search Highlight PDF Online Free on Google and you will find many tools like PDF Aid, PDF Gear, and then we have Files Editor. Upload PDF files there, highlight text, and save PDF file. It's as simple as that. For example, let's try this PDF Aid. Let's upload the file. And here is the tool, Highlight. Select the tool, make a selection, and just highlight it. It's kind of brush highlighter. But if you want to highlight the exact text, you can use text highlight tool. They also have got it. To change highlight color, select highlighted text and click on different color from here. And after you are done, press this Done button. Make sure PDF is selected and you can download the PDF file. So there are online tools like PDF Aid and PDF Gear and Files Editor that allow you to do it as well. We also have got Chrome extensions to do that. Go to Chrome Web Store and search Web Highlights, PDF and Web Highlighter. Add to your web browser. After it's installed, open a PDF file online. In case of local PDF file, open it in web browser. After the file is opened in web browser, you will see a prompt, highlight this PDF. Click that prompt and then PDF will be opened under this Chrome extension. After that, you can highlight any text in the PDF, hover over to this pencil icon and change the highlight color. If that extension does not work for you, From extensions menu, press three dots in front of the extension and select manage extension. It will bring you to this page. Make sure this is checked, allow access to file URLs, so that this extension can access the PDF file. But if you ask me, these free online tools like Files Editor, PDF Gear, PDF Aid, or this Foxit free PDF reader, these are best. And this is how you can highlight text in PDF in multiple ways, offline and online. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.